Hi guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday weekend, May the 15th, 2021. There are three puzzles left, Sudoku with 4 stars, one tectonic and one binary. But first we will solve this baby with 4 stars. Number 2795, it will be this one. And the printed digits in this puzzle, 24. Yes, 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. Which numbers shall I pick? Pick. How about the number 4 in this column? Last column, 4 in the second. In the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Alright. Then, how about the 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Alright. Then, how about, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these two boxes. There 9, no 9 in those two boxes. So one box left for the 9. It should be there. 9 in the last column and 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. Alright. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7 in this big square, so no 7 in these two boxes in this column. So one box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. So no 3 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 1, 2, 7. Yes, 7. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Need to wait. 6, 9. Yeah. 3 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in the first row, a 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. All right. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about the number 4? Yeah. We have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Alright. In this column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 goes in those 2 boxes together with the 8 as a pair. Alright. So what are those 3 missing numbers then in this column? The 2 is missing. The 6 is missing. And the 2, 6 and the 3. 2, 6 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 7 and the 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. No, 6 we have. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, and 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 8. Alright. How about these 3 missing numbers? The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. That means the other 2 numbers in this column, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, are the numbers 7. And the 4 is missing. 7 and the 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright, we have a 4 in this row. 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third column. 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be an 8. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8, number 4. All right. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. Yes. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. The second row from the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 1 number left in this last column for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. All right. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It's a pair, it's a pair. 2 boxes left in the third row for the numbers 2 and 9. Yes, 2 and 9 are missing. 2 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also a pair in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about those 2 boxes in the last row for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7 are missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. Now we have a 7 here, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. Alright, 1 box left in this second column for the number 2. 2 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. Finish in 12 minutes for a 4 stars Sudoku. How could that be? Faster than the previous Sudoku with 14 minutes. This one 12 minutes, and I've told you, you cannot tell, although it has 24 printed digits and faster than the previous Sudoku. And I like this one, yes. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. A binary puzzles, binary puzzle and a tectonic puzzle is left. So see you later. Bye bye for now.